Hello, my supreme and VIP witches. Well, for this week's message, I have something fun for you to do as a little bit of witchy magical homework. And it really has to do with the magic of music. Music is something that I think is universal, speaks to our heart, can shift our mindset, can create emotions for us. I mean, it impacts us in such profound and powerful ways. And those profound and powerful ways can highly, highly positively impact your magic. What am I talking about? Well, I started thinking about this the other day because I was needing a little boost in confidence. And I went to my playlists. I have, as you may or may not know, I'm a huge music lover. I'm a musician. I go to see music all the time. I'm very much a music lover and love lots and lots of different kinds of music. So I have lots and lots of playlists on my Spotify. And I have playlists with genres of music, and I have playlists with artists, but I also have a couple of playlists that are for me to get in a certain mood. Now, you might have done this too. Maybe you have a romantic playlist, maybe you have an energizing playlist. Well, I have this playlist called Bad Girl. It's a song called Bad Girl that I started the playlist with. And it's all songs to give me a boost of confidence, a boost of energy, a can do attitude. And I created this playlist. Now, I'm going to share this playlist with you, not because I think you'll listen to this playlist and it will bring confidence to you. It may or may not, but these are songs that speak to my heart. But everyone's taste in music is different. So I'm going to encourage you to be mindful with your music, mindful with your practice of magic, and how we can bring magic in with our music listening. So pay attention to the songs that you listen to. And when you notice a song that creates a empowering feeling or a positive feeling or any kind of positive feeling, happiness, relaxation, loving feelings, pay attention to those songs. And if you have a music service like Spotify, Apple Music, or one of those, start a little playlist that is based on the emotion that you get. Now, why I'm telling you this is once you built up that playlist, you can turn to that playlist when you're doing some magic. Because think about this, if we're doing magic for something, a change in our life, which is why we do magic, we want to start with a confident, positive, uplifted attitude when we do our magic. It's really hard to do magic when you're coming from a place of doubt, of lack of confidence in your magic, of feeling sad. It's not to say that you can't do magic if you're feeling sad or bad or angry or any of the less desirable emotions. But when we come with the positive emotions, we really juice up our magic. So I'm going to encourage you to start creating playlists that create certain moods that you can use before you do your magic or while you're doing your magic. I mean, music is almost like incense in that sense that it sets a mood in your space. And so, like we light incense before we do candle magic to create an energy in the space, we can also do that with sound, and we can also do that, of course, with music. So in the comments below, in the comments below, in the place where you can comment, either leave me a little video or a little note that you type telling me a song that shifts your mood and that you've noticed shifts your mood in a positive way. Or if you have a playlist, share it with me. I would love to hear what you do with your music. Now, one little announcement before I wrap up here. Tonight is the first Magical Mystery Marketplace, which will be taking place on YouTube, Twitter, if anyone's still on Twitter anymore, and Facebook. If you belong to one of those social medias, go to them. I mean, I think everybody does YouTube at some point, right? Go to it, subscribe to me, and then at 6 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Mountain, 8 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern, I'll be on doing a witchy QVC. This week, it's about plant magic. I had to look down there. Now, there's two special things that you get as a Coven member. Number one, you get a special discount. So the main public gets a 15% discount code, which will show up at the bottom of the screen, and they get it for 3 days. So they get it while the Magical Mystery Marketplace is going on, and then 2 days from now. However, you as a Coven member get a 20% discount. Your special secret code is always posted in the Patreon, but it's green magic. I think that's it. Now I've got to make sure. I'm doubting myself. I think it's green magic. I'll find out. And that is your code to get 20% off. And your code lasts for 1 week, not just 3 days. Green magic. Yeah, that's it. Also, at the end of the live, we do a very special thing. For anyone that's purchased while we are live, we're going to give away a prize. We're going to have a drawing for one of the items that we're featuring in the Magical Mystery Marketplace. We'll be giving away to one lucky winner who purchased during the hour when we're live. Now, everybody gets a ticket, but you as a Coven member get a bonus ticket. You get a second ticket to win that prize. So these are some of the perks of being in the Coven. So I'm going to say maybe 5-10 people will buy during the live stream. So you've got a really good chance of winning the prize. So I would take advantage of that. Just go ahead, go to the live stream, join me live tonight, and then place an order. And when you place your order, you'll be automatically entered with 2 drawn. You don't even have to say anything. We'll know you're a Coven member and you'll get 2 entries, and you have double your chances of winning. And it's a really small pool probably of people that are going to be in it. So you have a really good chance of winning. So I hope to see you there tonight. Thank you so much, and have a fantastic week. Listen to your music and pay attention and start collecting those songs for your magical practice. All right. Have a great week. Bye.